Today I will show you how to quickly and easily add a status on WhatsApp using your smartphone. It's perfect for sharing your mood or an important update. Watch until the end for useful tips on creating better WhatsApp statuses. Before starting, it's helpful to know which photo or video you want to post, or at least know which message you want to share. So open the WhatsApp on your device, simply click on it. Afterwards, tap the Updates tab and click on the Add Status. Here you can choose any photo or text, so let's do this small capybara. Let's add also a caption. Let's type in cute capybara. Yep. And simply click Send. You can also enable just right here who see your status. You can select either your contacts or only share with selected contacts. So anyways, let's select for my contacts, especially tap afterwards Done, and this pretty much will post your status after you click on this send message. Now your status is live and visible to your friends, and as I promised, a bonus: if you want to make your status more creative, use WhatsApp built-in tools. Like here you can use text overlays or even stickers. Let's click on them and tap on this smallish crocodile right there. You can also move it and adjust it, or you can even draw on the picture. Just tap on this pencil icon and draw anything that you would like, tap Done to save, and click Send to post your status. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep creating more helpful videos just for you. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next one. Bye.